What we have here is a freewheel that has too much play, but in order to remove it, it was quite tight. I came up with this contraption. Piece of 2x4 with a hinge here. Now the 2x4 screwed onto the table. Now the 2x4 the hinge. So when you tighten the ratchet, it clamps the wheel, and that way you can attack the wheel with your little wrench socket. Just make sure you loosen that ring first, and you go clockwise with a punch to loosen that, and you put your little socket in, put in a deep socket, put on your power bar, and if necessary use an extension tube, square tube in this case, and you turn gently and it will come right out, and that's it. Now I just have to take this sprocket apart and see what's wrong with it. Probably will have to replace it. Okay.